this one church town. There's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country.
Good morning, folks. We're out here today going on a little turkey hunt.
It's early.
What's the tea, Yeags?
It's early, but that's when the real warriors get up and get the shit done. So we're going to put the work on some turkeys this morning.
Got a quick time check, 5:34. We're just getting out now. We'll catch you out there.
One eternity later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got Hunter Thoughts. Idea one. We have come up with a niche marketing turkey call that will be a 2-in-1. You have the pocket, and you got the turkey call part of it, and then the other side is a pocket pussy. And we came up with our slogan to be when the turkey don't come, make yourself. So we think it's a pretty $1 million idea, but we don't really know yet. We'll figure it out. All right, boys, we're going on a covert recon. We're gonna try and cut off some pack of 9 turkeys we saw. Saw them at the end of the path there. We're gonna work our way through the woods and hopefully be able to cut them off. We'll keep you tuned. We have successfully cut off the turkeys, so we think. We're sitting under this tree. We hiked away here. Alright, so we're back in our blind. We had a little tough situation. We thought we could cut them off. We saw them at the end of the path, but we got down there, and once we set up where we thought they were going to come out, we heard them chirping from what seemed to be around the area of our blind. So we had to come back, and they weren't here. So now we're just chilling in the blind, but it's a tough situation. Definitely tough. Yeags, do you have any words of encouragement?
It really confused me when I was like, okay, well, they're going to go to this corner and we can cut them off. 20 minutes later, nothing. And we heard them clock in over here and thought, wow, let's put the moves on them again and swing around. Jack shit.
We did see the coyote we saw earlier today, though, so that was pretty neat, I guess.
Fucker.
He was gray/white. Gray/white in color.
Like a beige.
Was he beige?
Yeah.
No, he's
Like
definitely gray and
kinda
white.
Like brown and gray.
Fuck off.
Gray and white. It's not the color of that fucking mic.
Bet.
He's not.
That's like a wolf.
Yeah, I know it is.
A coyote it's like a wolf.
A coyote has brown lips.
It's like a wolf. Okay.
This is to teach you guys a little bit about the sound the turkey makes and calling them. So with a mouth call, a pretty advanced piece of equipment is a word. I'm really struggling, guys. This has been rough. This is a pretty advanced piece of equipment. It takes a little bit of practice, but when you do master it, it turns out to be very, very useful. Being hands-free, holding a gun. If you're running a gun in, if you're stalking, or if you're just sitting in the blind, you get your hands free at all times. So the standard sound a turkey will make in the woods that you'll usually hear is the cluck, or the chirp. It sounds like this. And that's just them talking to each other, saying, hey, how's it going? What's up? their lingo is just normal, casual talking. Now, next one, do purr. That's saying, hey, I'm DTF. I'm ready to go, and I'm looking for somebody to keep me a little company. So when turkeys talk dirty, they purr. Now there is also the cluck. Damn, I really fucked those all up. Those last three were good clucks. Obviously, I'm not the best at it, but we're practicing. And then the last one that I really haven't shown you was like the key run is called. If I could find my other call, that should be in one of my pockets.
I think it was in that pocket.
I thought so too. I'm gonna be pissed if I lost my other call. Wow. Well, that's just cool, guys. Lost my other fucking call. Oof. Oh. Found it. Found it, guys. Found it. Now with this cut, it's a little bit different. That is called like a bat cut. And this right here is a ghost cut. See, it kind of looks like a little ghost. Boo. This one, I can do the key.
Do you love me?
So here's the key. Do you love me? And then once I do that, they'll also transition into a yelp. And key. That's another kind of like lost call. Just saying, hey, where's everybody? And what are y'all doing? Because I want to be by you. So there was a little crash course on what sounds turkeys make, so maybe when you go in the woods next time you'll understand what sounds they're singing.
This is our turkey sex tape, part 1. How you doing? You want a turkey pizza? Oh no, I forgot the meat. Looks like I'll have to give you mine. That's a common turkey mating call towards... It's a fall tradition. That's where you really notice the difference. The spring is, you know, kind of fuck for babies. The winter is more pleasure sex. You know, your mate pulls up and he gives you a like you fucking you're smashing a night. Yeah, well, it's a big difference. Fucking for a baby or fucking for pleasure. I mean, it's the same way with humans, I guess. You got plan B. Turkeys don't really have plan B, but I wonder what they use for protection.
No.
Well, you don't know that.
This is how the mating goes. I'll show you.
Ride till I can't go.
All right, folks, we're gonna recap the day here for you. Yeags, what are your thoughts on today, bud?
Well, we gave her the old college try. We tried to put ourselves in position for the birds to meander right in on us. Didn't happen, but put in the work, no doubt.
We did.
We would have earned ourselves a bird today if we got one. It would not have been gone to waste.
Yeah, we were up at 5 this morning. We were out in the blind by
5:30.
5:35. Can't get much earlier than that. We could barely see coming. What?
I'm just checking if there's turkeys down there because
Oh.
I could just go run at them with the gun. Yeah, Dave gets out of here. There's another guy hunting on this property.
Yeah.
Same morning.
Oh my God! There's a turkey right there. Fucking just blast him! Just blast him!
Bastard. Of course,
That was probably the one we heard clucking.
just as we were leaving, the turkeys are moving around.
You know, as the wise men always say, you always see the turkeys during deer season and the deer during turkey season.
Quote Will Yeager.
Quote Willie Yeager.
It's the way she goes,
That's
bud.
the fucking way she goes.
Sometimes she goes, sometimes she don't. But you know what? I was not too upset seeing that we got this guy out here for the first time.
Yeah, first time turkey hunting for me.
What was your thoughts on it?
I mean, it's fun. Obviously, any hunting is, patience is a virtue, like they always say. And I wasn't really expecting to get anything my first go out. I mean, I didn't even have a permit, so I wasn't technically hunting. But
You had to be the film.
I was the filmer today, so I was pretty happy with it. I can't wait to get back out again. It'd be fun. Definitely a good pastime. I mean, it's just nice being out in the woods, all the fresh air, and
When's the next time you're gonna go out? Speaking of the mic, please.
I don't know.
Speaking of the
Well,
mic,
when's the season? I don't even know the seasons.
well,
What? What do you want me? What?
No, don't. I said speaking of the mic,
Well,
don't eat the mic.
You're holding it pretty fucking close.
The seasons, the ones I'm going are the last two. I gotta remember the dates.
Nah, we can look those up later, but definitely next time the season comes around, I will be out.
Get a leftover tag.
Yes, hopefully.
I just showed you that last night. Fucking dip. You're just
Well, I didn't want to buy one because I ain't got that kind of money right now.
It's $25.
Exactly. $25, bud.
Okay. All right. Well. Yeah. So that was the day.
Yeah,
Folks.
that was your day in review, sponsored by Will Yeager and DJ Dean.
Yeah.
Real determination.
Pit Viper, Mountain Prairie,
Hook.
Hook.
We got
Sponsor us. Barry the Bass. Toyota
Coots' General Store.
for supplying the vehicle for
What
the
a-
excursion. Apple. Yeah. Apple sponsors us too.
All right, let's turn this off before it gets worse.